Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw helix structure in CST. So let me first define the helix parameter, which is the radius, let's say it's 2.2 millimeter, and the period, let's define it as 1 millimeter, and the width of the helix or of the tape of the helix, let's define it as, let's say, 0.3, and the thickness, let's define it as 0.1. And what else? Yeah, let's define the number of unit cells, maybe 10 unit cells of the helix. Okay. Now we are going to use analytical phase to plot the helix, and this will be very easy, guys. So I'm just like, the most important thing here is that just like to know the equations to use to draw this surface. So this analytical surface uses like two variables to plot a surface. So first we're gonna use one variable to sweep like the axial direction, and we're gonna sweep it from 0 to n multiply period, which is the total length of the structure. And V here, I will use it to sweep for the width, to get the width. So I'm gonna sweep it from 0 to width. And let's use it here as PEC, okay? So the X expression will be very simple. It will be R helix multiply cosine 2 pi multiply U over period. And the Y expression gonna be the same, but it will be sine, not cosine. This will allow like to have a helix structure. And finally here, the Z will be U. And since we need to have some extension in the width, we're gonna add plus V. So let's see. Okay. So now as you see, we have this helix structure, but it has 0 thickness. So to add thickness to it, this time we are going to use shape tools, and here solid thick. First let's choose it, select this one, then we add thickness to it, and let's make it like outside. So this will make it to the extension to outside and thickness. Okay, here you go. Now the helix has some extension, and this like technique will allow you to use any kind of dimensions. For example, here I can use the dimensions of thickness to be, let's say, 2. You know, so this make it like a helix with large thickness. This may be important for antenna simulation or for particle in cell simulation. Okay, thank you guys.